Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on hot future while examining Holo cost figure for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to think about this and some other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Holo. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the Holo value expectation and answer questions in the event that HOT is a wise venture or not, for what reason will HOT succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Holo value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is HOT and its to-date history. Holochain intro. Holochain is a post-blockchain innovation that is energy-proficient decentralized application improvement stage that is really shared without the versatility issues of existing blockchain projects. Holochain resembles approaching every one of the capacities of all of the Internet applications, all the while without requiring an API, in light of the fact that the dialects are very much viable amazingly. Holochain is what could be compared to having an IFT layer worked under the whole Internet. Since the data isn't compelled to fundamentally sit exceptionally in every application, the end client can make a rated experience with the boundaries fitting their personal preference. The opportunities for information mining and agreement building are unending. And the information restraining infrastructures of Facebook and Google. Assuming that we truly decide to utilize Holochain, we especially pick how our data is shared and enable the sender to use it for aggregate development and understanding. Holo price prediction. The genuinely entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unequaled high in the midst of the more extensive market in every practical sense, drops affected by seething expansion and U.S. Fed rate increments. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto certainly is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year, which is genuinely critical. This is reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to truly find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and essential evaluation of each task. Essentials that we for the most part assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. Holo price prediction 2022. Most of specialists for the most part concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the primary quarter of 2022 proceeding. We in a real sense see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 September minus 18.96%, $0.0018, which is genuinely critical. 2022 October minus 29.36%, $0.0016. 2022 November minus 26.23%, $0.0016. 2022 December minus 19.73%, $0.0018, or so they thought. 2023 Jan minus 13.83%, $0.0019. 2023 February minus 8.97%, $0.0020. 2023 Mar minus 6.42%, $0.0021. 2023 April plus 1.11% $0.0022. 2023 May plus 0.14% $0.0022. 2023 June plus 7.09% $0.0024. 2023 July plus 17.67% $0.0026. 2023 August plus 22.40% $0.0027. Hot price prediction 2025. Our forecast model sees hot coming to $0.0046 in 2025. What will hot be worth in 5 years? The cost of hot in 5 years could lie around $0.0041 in a significant manner. Holo price prediction 2030 to 2040. What Holo will be really worth in 2030, which is genuinely huge. Our Guajing model sees Holo coming to $0.0115 in 2030. What Holo will be essentially worth in 2040, in spite of mainstream thinking. Our determining model sees Holo coming to $0.0230 in 2040. Will Holo supplant/outperform/surpass Bitcoin? No, Holo won't supplant or surpass BTC. Might Holo at any point reach 10 cents amazingly? Indeed, Holo can reach 10 cents toward the finish of 2025. Could Holo at any point reach $1? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Holo to reach $1 in the short or midterm period. Is Holo worth purchasing, which is genuinely huge? We are promoters of decently unsafe financial planning. Contribute the greater part of extremely your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a crate of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little tasks with tremendous potential gain in a significant manner. Along these lines, in this specific circumstance, Holo merits purchasing. Is Holo a wise speculation? Holo is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, a dangerous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and an especially strong group behind it. How much will Holo be worth, which is very huge? For the most part momentary future, it could reach $0.0013. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $0.0115 or much higher, which most certainly is genuinely huge. For what reason will Holo succeed and become more expensive? Holo has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are